In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Monday.com. To get started, open your browser, go to the Jira website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Jira site where you want the integration installed. You'll need admin permissions to add apps from the marketplace, so if you don't see certain options later, check with your site admin first. Once you're in Jira, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This opens the Atlassian Marketplace inside your Jira environment, which is the safest and easiest place to find and install integrations. If the Apps menu isn't visible, it usually means your permissions are limited or the view is collapsed. Expand the sidebar or confirm your access level. In the Marketplace search bar, type Monday.com. You'll see several results, but the one you want is the Monday.com integration for Jira. Open that listing to view its details. On this page, take a moment to skim the description, supported hosting type, and user reviews. This helps you confirm it matches your Jira setup and aligns with the use case you have in mind, like syncing issues and items between the two platforms. When you're ready, click Try It Free. This begins the add-on process and brings you to a review screen. Here, Jira shows you the site where the app will be installed and the permissions it needs, such as access to issues and projects, so it can read and write changes for synchronization. It's a good idea to confirm you're installing to the correct site and that the permissions align with your organization's policies. On the review screen, click Review to proceed. This step is simply your confirmation that you've checked the details and are ready to continue. If you manage multiple Jira sites, double check the selected site before moving on. Finally, click Try It Free again to confirm and start the trial. Jira will handle the installation in the background and you should see a success message when it's done. If you don't, refresh the page or revisit the apps menu and look for the integration there. Remember, trial durations can vary, so note when it starts so you can evaluate before it converts to a paid plan. That's it. You've added the Monday.com integration for Jira. From here, you can open the app from the apps menu to explore configuration options and decide how you want data to sync between the two tools. For best results, test with a small project or a limited set of issues, communicate changes to your team, and review any billing or permissions with your admin.